Understanding Law-Abiding Citizen, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the phrase, law-abiding citizen. This is a common term you might encounter in news articles, legal discussions, or even movies. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down together, ensuring you can use and understand this phrase confidently in English. A law-abiding citizen is someone who follows the laws of a place or country. The term combines two important concepts: law-abiding, which means adhering to the law, and citizen, referring to a legal member of a specific country or place. Together, it describes an individual who respects and abides by the rules and regulations set by their government or society. Understanding the phrase, law-abiding citizen, is crucial for several reasons. It helps in recognizing the importance of following laws in maintaining order and safety within a society. It also highlights the expectations that governments and communities have for individuals. This phrase often appears in discussions about rights, responsibilities, and the social contract between a state and its citizens. To better grasp how law-abiding citizen is used, let's look at some examples. In the news, the new policy aims to protect the rights of law-abiding citizens. In legal contexts, as a law-abiding citizen, the individual has never faced criminal charges. In everyday conversation, I consider myself a law-abiding citizen. I always follow traffic rules. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts, emphasizing its relevance in discussions about legality, morality, and civic duty. The concept of a law-abiding citizen also holds cultural significance, reflecting a society's values and beliefs about law and order. It can indicate a collective commitment to justice, peace, and mutual respect. Additionally, how people view and talk about law-abiding citizens can vary between cultures, offering insights into different legal and moral frameworks. Understanding the phrase, law-abiding citizen, enriches your English vocabulary and offers insights into societal values and legal systems. It underscores the importance of adhering to laws for the well-being of the community and the responsibilities of individuals within a society. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of being a law-abiding citizen. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.